A gene is a specific section of DNA that contains instructions for making one protein. And proteins do almost everything in your body. They build your muscles, carry oxygen in your blood, fight infections, and send signals in your brain. You have about 20,000 to 25,000 genes spread across your 46 chromosomes. Each chromosome carries hundreds or even thousands of genes. When your cells divide to make new cells, chromosomes make sure each new cell gets the exact same genetic information. They line up, duplicate themselves, and split evenly. This happens millions of times every single day in your body. So that's it about chromosomes. They are the carefully packed instruction manuals inside every cell in your body. They carry your genes, which make the proteins that build you. You have 46 of them, arranged in 23 pairs, 22 pairs of autosomes, and 1 pair that determines your gender.